Mr. Jain, you have also been involved during the DTC era of the back and forth that happened. I'm just wondering, what is it? Is it the reluctance of our Central Board of Direct Taxes and the entire paraphernalia there to reimagine things, or is the sheer complexity of the taxation system a reality that we should not expect some massive revamp and we should be happy with even this exercise?
See, to answer your last question first, I think the taxpayer will be happy because there is a continuity. But at the same time, I believe taxpayer as well as tax administration, both were expecting that there will be certain reforms. Now, I take it from the perspective of the taxpayer, as Mr. Dinesh Kanavar rightly said, compliance. This is a major issue which is with the taxpayer. And over a period, so many regulatory requirements and there is duplicity, multiplicity of the information to be uploaded, etc., which over a period has lost its significance and relevance, I will say. So there was expectation that there will be reforms on what we call a compliance burden, increased compliance burden on a taxpayer. Now, similarly, on a tax administration perspective, with a complete computerization and digitization, I was expecting that there will be a drastic change or at least reform on assessment and reassessment, the way we are doing and how it has to be carried out in that manner. I could not see it, but it is the same continuation, same process. And the third question, which is, of course, I think the larger question was how to reduce litigation and to, I usually use a word, how to have more confidence of the taxpayer in the tax administration. That's the most important aspect, that to bridge the gap, what we call a distrust between the taxpayer and tax administration. So that is what we were expecting, that in this bill should be there. But the finance minister, I will see the board, the CBDT had taken a little bit, I say, middle path. They don't want to create any new controversy. They don't want to create a new litigation, etc. So they have continued what existing was there, and they have just consolidated the various provision at one place, or some old provision have been deleted on that part. That's the issue. But one thing which I may again say, as and when the new act is enacted, howsoever continuation it may be, litigation is bound to increase. I'm of the view, frankly speaking, as it happened in the GST, where the GST was introduced in 2017 over period, we have seen the way the litigation is going on. Even the Finance Act 2021, which created a lot of litigation across India, writ petitions. So we have not been able to go through the various provisions, but over a period, some challenges will definitely come, and then we can expect some correction the way it has been happening in the next every year, 1 or 2 years, some correction going on in this new act also.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.